I see this question all over the nanny groups, and it's, I'm a babysitter and I want to raise my rates, but I don't know how to tell the family that I'm working for. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to ask for a raise and give you the template and an email or a text that you can send the family to let them know. If we haven't met before, I'm Michelle Kelsey, founder of the Nanny Solution by Nannies on Call. Each week I bring you new videos to educate and inspire you to get better jobs and make more money. Okay, let's dive right into it today. As a babysitter, it can be really hard to advocate for yourself and ask for a raise. So many babysitters I've talked to have told me they haven't had a raise in 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and they're making the same amount of money as when they started. So let's help you get that raise. Let's break it down into a few manageable steps. 1, self-assessment. Before you approach the clients, make sure you do some self-evaluation and see why you deserve this raise. Consider things like gained experience, additional skills, additional job responsibilities, or even just inflation. When you do approach the family, be clear on your reasons, and this will help you communicate confidently with the families. Number 2, research the market. You want to know what the going rate in your area for babysitting is. This will give you a sense of what's reasonable and competitive. You definitely don't want to undervalue your service, but at the same time, you want to be careful not to price yourself out of the market. And number 3, plan your communication. Are you going to talk to the family in person the next time you're there? Are you going to email or text them? An email is often the best approach as it gives the family time to process the information you've just sent them. However, if a face-to-face conversation feels better for you and the relationship you have with the family, that's absolutely a great way to do it as well. When writing and asking for your raise, keep it friendly yet professional. Here's a template that you can use. I've included it in the description as well if you just want to copy and paste it. It's all yours to use. I hope you're doing well. I'm writing to let you know of an upcoming change to my childcare rates. Starting, put the date you're starting, my new rate will be, and whatever your new rate will be. This adjustment reflects the increased cost of living and the additional skills and experience I bring to my role as childcare provider. I am committed to providing the highest quality of care for your children, and this rate will help me continue to do so. I understand that changes can be challenging, and I'm more than happy to discuss this with you if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for understanding. And then your signature. When raising your rates, you want to give the families a couple weeks notice before doing so. So if, for example, it's June 1st, you want to give them till June 15th before you raise your rate. So any babysitting appointments up to that date will be at the old rate, and then after the 15th, it will be at your new rate. Make sure you're prepared also for some comments or concerns from the parents when you raise your rates. Some families will be totally fine with it and understand, while others may act as if it's a shock to them. When this does happen, remember to stay calm. You're making these changes for your well-being and your personal growth. Raising your rates is a normal part of business. All businesses do it. It's a sign that you value your work and are committed to the best quality care for their children. By communicating clearly and confidently, you're more likely to retain the clients that you have and build strong and lasting relationships. Have you ever struggled to ask for a raise in your babysitting job? Comment down below so you can tell us how you handled it, and we can all learn from each other. Have a great week.